We're going to be learning about mixed numbers, and the great thing about mixed numbers is you already know about the parts that create a mixed number. A mixed number is created with a whole number and a fraction. Here are two watermelons. They are two whole watermelons. This is 1/2 of a watermelon. That creates the mixed number 2 and 1/2. 2 is my whole number. 1/2 is my fraction. Let's identify some more mixed numbers. Look at number 2. That is 1 whole and 3/4. That creates the mixed number 1 and 3/4. This can also be read 1 and 3/4. Number 3. There's 2 wholes and the fraction 3/8. That creates the mixed number 2 and 3/8. Number 4. There are 2 wholes and the fraction 5/6. That creates the mixed number 2 and 5/6. And number 5. 1 whole and 2/3 more is the mixed number 1 and 2/3. Let's take a look at how we can draw our own mixed numbers. Let's start with the mixed number 1 and 1/2. First, draw the whole number, 1 whole. Then, draw the fraction. To create the fraction 1/2, I need to draw a whole, cut that whole into 2 equal pieces, and color in one of those 2 equal pieces. This represents the mixed number 1 and 1/2. I do want you to see the relationship between the whole number and the fraction. The whole number can also be split into 2 equal pieces. I know this because the denominator is halves. I can split my whole number into 2 equal pieces, and I would have 2 out of those 2 halves. Let's take a look at another example. Let's look at the mixed number 2 and 3/4. First, draw your whole number, 2 wholes. Next, draw your fraction, 3/4. To create 3/4, start with a whole, cut your whole into 4 equal pieces, and color in 3 of those equal pieces. This model represents the mixed number 2 and 3/4. Again, I want you to also see the relationship between the whole number and the fractional part. Because the fractional part is 3/4, that also means my whole numbers can be split into 4 equal parts. Let's look at the last example. 3 and 4/5. Start with your whole number, 3 wholes. Then add on your fraction, 4/5. To get 4/5, I'm going to take my whole, cut it into 5 equal pieces, and color in 4 of them. Again, I have the whole number 3 and the fractional part 4/5. I want you to see the relationship between the whole number and the fraction and see that my whole can also be split into 5 equal pieces. Understanding the relationship between the whole number and the fraction part is going to come in handy as we work with mixed numbers throughout this week. Again, our goal today is to be able to draw mixed numbers and to be able to identify them.